Meaning of independently.
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 Independently. Independently means not being influenced, controlled or supported by others. It refers to the ability of an individual or organization to function on their own without the need for external assistance or input. The concept of independence is highly valued in many contexts, including business, politics, and personal decision-making. When someone or something operates independently, they are free to make their own choices and decisions, which can lead to greater autonomy and self-sufficiency. In summary, independence is the state of being self-reliant and the ability to stand on one's own 2 feet without relying on others for support.